Okay guys, finally I got round to getting this thing running for you so I can do a video for you. I knew it was running already, but I rigged up the, a funnel tank. By the way, that's not the colour of the funnel, that's the colour of the fuel. It's the stuff which I just used to clean this lawnmower carb in. I'm not going to bother putting any half decent fuel in here. These carbs are crap anyway. They're really notorious for leaking. They always leak. Oh well. I managed to stop this one from leaking, but hey, start it up for you. It has no idle, of course, because they're shit. Get this thing out. Oh, fuck off. Why should I undo that? Too much, apparently. Maybe that was why it wasn't revving. Oh, it did rev eventually, I think. It's running very rich at idle. Oh, fucking come on! Oh, fuck off. Okay, it's not quite running right, it doesn't want to rev. It's running really rich at idle, because the mixer screws out. But anyway, it's a good run for you. Now my leg's got a little tingly. That thing vibrates like a bitch. Oh well, see you guys later.